Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams. I'm a dad of three beautiful daughters, and I know what it feels like to be broke and tired of starting over. It's like you give your all just for life to knock you right back down. But let me tell you something, starting over doesn't mean you failed. It means you didn't quit, and that's the difference that changes everything. Why you feel stuck. When money's tight, it's not just your wallet that's empty, it's your hope. You start questioning if the effort is even worth it. You've tried saving, you've tried budgeting, maybe even a few side hustles, but nothing sticks long enough to bring you any peace. And deep down, you don't want just more money. You want stability. You want rest. You want to stop restarting your life every 6 months. You know, the truth about starting over, here's the truth that most people never hear. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Every time you fail, you learn something. Every time you rebuild, you strengthen something. Every time you kept going, you proved that you still believe in something greater than your current situation. The path out. So what if instead of hustling harder, you shifted your energy into something that works while you rest? That's what I built with my online blueprint, a done-for-you system that helps you create daily pay even when life feels heavy. It's not about chasing success. It's about building peace that pays you. If you're ready to stop restarting and start rebuilding, go to www.getdailypayments.com. Your reset begins there. Drop a comment below that says, I'm not starting over. I'm starting again. Because once you understand that truth, you'll never see struggle the same way again.